Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am Chanel, and in today's video I will be doing a video over this wig here from Love Me Hair. I have already started out with my hair braided back. I have a wig cap on and a little bit of makeup to cover the wig cap. So yeah, this is the wig that this video will be on, and like I said, it is their 4x4 curly or wavy texture wig. I'm going to leave all of the information over this wig in the description box. As you can see, like I said, it is like a curly wavy texture. It is a glueless wig. It does come with it already pre-plucked, and I believe the parting is already there. So this unit comes with a comb on each side, a comb in the middle, and then also a comb in the back. You do receive the adjustable straps. The strap that's inside sewn into the wig is what actually helps this wig be glueless, so you don't have to worry about applying any adhesive or got to be glued or any of that stuff to tack down your wig. And if I'm sounding a little funny in this video, I do have my mouth appliance in, so it may have me having a little bit of a lisp, but I'm trying to get used to talking with it even in my videos. But what I'm going to do is cut off that extra lace off of the closure. Now, as you can tell, that closure is not my skin complexion, so what I want to do is add a little bit of cream foundation to my closure, and you can use a foundation that's like your skin complexion or maybe even a little bit darker than your skin complexion. I definitely would suggest you using a concealer that's a slightly bit darker than your complexion. I definitely feel like since this closure is lighter, it will be better to use a shade darker. In this video, I did not go in and pluck the hairlining of this closure. I didn't pluck the parting. I just wanted to give it to you guys raw, straight out the pack, so you can see how it looks. A few days later, I did go in and pluck that hairline. I do feel like it made a world of difference. However, I do not necessarily like to pluck my curly units because I just feel like over time, since it is a curly unit, it does shed a lot and the closure becomes very bald and have bald spots. So I don't like to go in and pluck it too much because I already know that it's going to shed. But it is up to you. It's your preference. I do know that sometimes the curly wigs have a higher density in the closure, so some people may not really want that, you know, very dense closure. Definitely up to you. Now this unit does shed, and I am expecting for it to shed because it is a curly unit. Also, if you go in and pre-wash your unit before wearing it, I do feel like it does slightly decrease that amount of shedding. So even though this is a glueless unit, I wanted to go in and add a little bit of Got to Be just to make sure that it's definitely secure. I did feel like this wig fit a little bit, it's not as snug as I would have liked it to be. So just to add that Got to Be glued in there just gives it a little bit of extra security. But as you can see, she is gorgeous. She is full. I'll leave the density down below. But I did not go in and add any. So the only thing I added to this wig was some water in the beginning. I just added some water to a spray. I had some water in a spray bottle, and I just added to kind of help define some of those curls because I did pick it out and I also brushed it. I want it to be a little bit more tamed, even though I feel like curly hair looks the best when it's big, full, you know, got that volume and have a little bit of frizz to it. It looks absolutely natural. I don't know why I brushed it out and then turned around and put water in it. I just felt like it kind of tamed it a little bit more, but still gave it that frizz, if you know what I mean. Anyway, yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just brushing it out a little bit. So even though I liked the way it looked, I did go in a little bit later on that evening and I put more water on the unit. Plus I added some of this olive oil wrapping mousse just so I can see what the curls was going to look like more tamed. And I actually like the sleeker look too. So this is just giving you all the view of how it will look if you want it more tamed. And this wig is absolutely gorgeous. I do like it a lot. I like the curls. I like how it already came pretty even cut. Very, very, very nice unit. And you don't have to do too much work to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you in my next one. Take care, stay healthy, and stay blessed.